Our mission is to nourish our communities by delivering fresh ingredients, valued partnerships, and unparalleled customer service. Our customer base makes up everyone from restaurants to hotels to schools, really anybody with a food service kitchen. Our facility is moving 170 to 180,000 packages per week. We have 90 trucks on the road. We do pretty much the entire state of Georgia, as well as into Alabama and Tennessee and South Carolina. So my dad started his first produce company the year I was born, and I was literally born into it. I was sitting in the middle of his pickup truck on the Atlanta State Farmers Market, and I said my first word. I was maybe 1.5, 2 years old, and it was truck. I've grown up around produce. I've grown up around this food service distribution industry. I just take great pride in what Craig and his founding partner, Mark, built.
Mark and Craig started Royal in 1994. They were 2 men in a truck, which has quickly transitioned into almost 100 trucks and several hundred employees. It's been ingrained in our head since we were kids. You take care of your customer, you take care of your people.
Being able to carry on that legacy of those that started this company and those that have, all of our teammates that have been with us, many since day one, many for 15, 20 years. Been a lot of hard work and dedication put into building this organization, and that's what we take great pride in and carrying that legacy on.
Atlanta is our home base. You have two very local families. We couldn't be more Georgia grown. So for Royal, Atlanta is so important because Atlanta is growing, the state of Georgia is growing, which means Royal gets to grow. It gives us more options to spread our wings.
At Royal, we say produce is personal, and we have the sales reps and customer service. They have personal relationships with these people, and they make promises to them, and they tell them that if this is what you'd like and you want to give us your business and you'd like to do business with us, this is what we're going to offer in return. And it takes a lot of people to make that happen.
We're providing a service, and our service is to make sure that you get the best produce you could possibly get. So it's personal to us that you get what you deserve, and that's the best.
We want to take care of you. We want to make sure that you don't have any issues, and if you do, you can come to us and let us know, just like a family.
We take it personal because we know it's our name, it's our face that is standing behind each and every box that we deliver to our customers.
The care that's taken in checking produce is a full-time job for some, quite literally. That's what we do. We have QA staff that go in and out of the coolers all day long. The coolers are specific to products and what kind of home they like, whether it's a super cold cooler for something like a berry or a chopped lettuce, or maybe a little bit warmer for your bananas and your tomatoes.
If it doesn't meet our standards, we'll just refuse the product and we just get it from somewhere else until we get the product that is required for our customer standards so we can ship it out to them. I have kids and they go to school and they eat the product that we deliver to them, and that makes me really happy to know that people are eating fresh produce on the daily basis.
I like to always put myself in a customer's shoes because at the same time, I'm a consumer and I'm a customer. And you want to be treated as such, and you want someone to make sure that your call, your concern, your email, whatever it was, is important.
Royal is all about people. We care about our customers, but we care about each other. That's what makes Royal a beautiful place, a safe haven, a melting pot, is people care.
We really want people to feel like they're a part of our family. If they go through any trials in life, know that their employer is there to support them and that our family has their back.
I've been at Royal Food Service for 22 years. I've always felt like a part of the family. I've always been treated fairly, and I still love waking up and coming to work in the mornings. There's a sense of giving back to the community. I know that the family has been in Atlanta their whole lives, so they feel a part of it, and they're big on giving back.
We work with organizations around the communities. We always do weekly donations to different outreach programs. So any product that we have, we donate it, whether it's a neighboring food bank or an organization we've worked with for years, they can always come and pick up from us.
From ownership to management to employees to everybody, we're going to give you our best. And if we make a mistake because we're human, we're going to make right. And I feel like that is something that differentiates us from other companies.
We're so much more than just, let me bring you fresh apples or pears. We're a partner in making sure that you're successful.
Knowing that my kids and their friends and family is eating products that we handle and we touch, it just gives me great pride. And we're one of those companies that operates behind the scenes. Plenty of big name restaurants and chefs in the city that get all the publicity. But knowing that we play a little part in helping to make them successful, it's something that's hard to put a word on, but we take great pride in it.